When it comes to legal matters, the stakes are never small. Your rights, your future, your protection, everything depends on one decision: who represents you. But here's something most people don't talk about. Not everyone feels equally represented in the legal system, and for many individuals, finding a lawyer who truly understands their experiences is harder than it should be. That's where the conversation begins. The Black Professional Directory is a dedicated platform built to connect people with highly qualified Black professionals, including attorneys, physicians, and specialists across multiple industries. It's designed with one purpose: to make it easier for individuals to find professionals they trust and relate to. Instead of searching endlessly across general platforms, this directory brings everything into one focused space, where expertise meets accessibility. Let's talk about something real. Legal representation is not just about knowledge of the law, it's about communication, understanding, and trust. Because when someone is facing a legal issue, they are not just looking for a lawyer, they are looking for someone who understands their concerns, their background, their situation. And this is especially important in communities where people often feel unheard or misunderstood, because in those moments, representation becomes more than professional, it becomes personal. The blog highlights a powerful reality. Black lawyers play a critical role in providing not just legal expertise, but also culturally aware representation. Across the United States, there are thousands of skilled Black attorneys working in areas such as criminal defense, family law, civil rights, business law, personal injury, and more. But despite their expertise, they are often underrepresented in visibility, not in capability, and this creates a disconnect, because clients who are actively looking for Black lawyers struggle to find them easily. The blog emphasizes something important. People are increasingly looking for lawyers who understand their lived experiences, not just the law, but the context behind their cases. For example, a client dealing with discrimination, a family navigating legal challenges, an entrepreneur building a business. All of them benefit from working with someone who understands both the legal and cultural dimensions. And this is where Black lawyers bring unique value. They offer stronger communication, deeper empathy, better alignment with client needs, and often a higher level of trust. And that combination makes a significant difference in outcomes. Now let's talk about why this matters more today than ever before. The way people search for services has changed. Before, people relied on referrals. Now, they rely on search. When someone needs a lawyer today, they go online. They search with intent. They look for reviews, credibility, specialization, and increasingly, representation. This shift has created a new challenge, because while demand for Black legal professionals is growing, accessibility is still limited, and that gap creates missed opportunities, not because the professionals aren't qualified, but because they are not always positioned where people are searching. Now imagine this: someone is actively searching for a Black attorney for their case. They are ready to hire, they are motivated, they are looking for the right fit, but they can't find you, not because you're not capable, but because you're not visible in the right places. That's the real problem. Let's go deeper into what's really happening in the market. Today, visibility is no longer optional. It's a competitive advantage. The professionals who grow faster are not always the most experienced. They are the ones who are easiest to find and easiest to trust. Now think about this. General platforms are crowded. Thousands of listings, multiple professions, no clear positioning. But when someone lands on a specialized platform, everything changes. The environment becomes focused, the intent becomes clear, and the decision becomes easier. This is what makes niche directories powerful. They don't just give exposure, they give qualified exposure. Now let's talk about trust again, because this is where real decisions happen. When a client sees a lawyer listed in a directory built specifically for Black professionals, there is an immediate shift in perception. There is a sense of belonging, understanding, confidence, and that reduces friction in decision-making. Now let's compare two scenarios: a lawyer listed on a general platform, competing with hundreds of unrelated profiles, versus a lawyer listed on a platform where every visitor is already looking for professionals like them. Which one gets better results? The answer is obvious. But here's the bigger picture. This is not just about individual success. It's about building a stronger ecosystem. When more Black lawyers become visible, more clients find the right representation, more trust is built within the community, and more opportunities are created. And over time, this strengthens the entire professional network. It also creates inspiration. Now let's explore something that makes being listed in the Black Professional Directory a true game changer for Black lawyers. Networking opportunities. As a legal professional, you are constantly building connections. Whether it's with clients, peers, or other professionals, networking is the cornerstone of career growth. But not all networking opportunities are created equal. When you are listed in a directory like this one, you are placing yourself in a network that's already geared towards supporting and connecting Black professionals. This means your listing isn't just a digital presence, it becomes a gateway to opportunities you might have otherwise missed. Think about the benefits of connecting with other Black professionals in your field. Shared experiences. You'll find lawyers who understand your journey, the unique challenges you may face, and the stories that unite you. Collaborative opportunities. Whether it's working on a case together, referring clients to one another, or sharing resources, a network of like-minded individuals brings endless opportunities for growth. Supportive community. The directory provides an environment where you don't have to compete against everyone. Instead, it becomes a space for mutual support and collective advancement. Mentorship and guidance networking also opens doors for mentorship. Many young lawyers and law students search for mentors who can guide them, show them the ropes, and help them avoid pitfalls. As an experienced lawyer listed in the Black Professional Directory, you not only benefit from new clients and visibility, but you also have the chance to give back to your community by mentoring the next generation. Mentorship is a critical component of success in law. Many Black lawyers face challenges in finding mentors early in their careers, and having the opportunity to step into that role now can be incredibly rewarding. Being visible in this directory means you can guide new lawyers in their practice, share valuable insights about navigating the legal system, provide advice on dealing with systemic challenges in law that many young professionals face. By offering mentorship and guidance, you are solidifying your legacy and building a stronger community of lawyers who can support each other for years to come. Sustained business growth. Over time, the steady stream of new clients from referrals becomes a reliable income source, increasing your business stability and helping you grow. Building a recognized brand visibility leads to brand recognition. As you stay listed in the directory, your presence begins to build credibility in the industry. Clients and colleagues alike begin recognizing you as a trusted professional in your area of law. Over time, your name will be synonymous with excellence and professionalism within your community. This recognition doesn't just boost your client base, it also enhances your reputation as a go-to lawyer in your field. Opens doors for speaking engagements at conferences and seminars, provides opportunities to be featured in legal publications. Having this credibility will make you the first choice for clients in need of legal representation and for fellow lawyers who might need your expertise for a case referral. Now it's time to make sure it's seen, because there are people out there right now searching for someone exactly like you, someone they can trust, someone they can relate to, someone who understands them. Don't let those opportunities pass by. Join the Black Professional Directory today. Click the link below to list your profile and connect with the audience that's already searching for you. The right clients are already searching. Make sure they find you.